Hello. I can see Ricky's time. Hello. Join us, join us, join us. Good evening, good morning. We're a couple of minutes early, so we'll wait for others to join us. Hello.
Hello, Polina.
Hello. How did you make yourself big on the screen?
Me?
You're in the center of my screen now.
Wow.
That's
No, I'm not doing anything. No, you're not. No, I'm not.
Hello. Great to see you. Oh, Angela. Welcome.
Hello, Polina.
Hello, Jackie.
Hello, Polina.
Hello.
Hello, Polina.
So there is some good news. The good news is that I know how to share my screen now, and I'll be able to show you the file on the screen. So that's good, isn't it?
Hi. Hello, Angela.
Hello.
Hi. Polina.
Hi. Can you see each other?
Hi, Delia.
Hi.
All right, more people are joining. I can see two
Elizabeth.
people.
Can you see Elizabeth?
Wonderful. Ariana, wow. Right, please don't all talk at the same time.
Impossible.
Wonderful. I see a couple of new faces, actually quite a few people I don't know, which is good news. It means that we're spreading around the world. Let me tell you something. Yesterday, we had people from France, Germany, Russia, America, all the way to California. Lots of people in the UK. So, hello. So it was fantastic. And then somebody from Australia watched the program, the video recording of our meeting. So now we can say that we are global. It's wonderful. So what I'm going to do now, we will start with just, it's actually 6 o'clock here in the UK. I'm going to start, you know, and I'm going to ask you to mute your own microphones, or I'll actually mute you. Oh, Maria. We're going to do one little together. Let me see, I see you. Yeah. I'm not muting our microphones yet. Let's all sing one beautiful note together, hear each other's voices, and then I'll mute you and we'll do the song. Right, here comes my keyboard. We sit upright and we'll start going like this. Can you hear each other? Wonderful. So yes, we're going to start right now. I'm sorry, I have to mute your microphones. So there we go, mute all. Now, a couple of people suggested that at the end of these sessions, we still try to sing together. So I take your point and I'll try to do it. Another thing I need to tell you is that I'm not able to read your chat and teach at the same time. So if you know how to operate Zoom and people are asking on the chat what to do and how to put your microphone in, help each other if you can. I don't know how to use this program very well, so I can't be helping you. So please help each other. Okay, here we go. I'll now try to put a file with this lovely Yiddish song in front of your eyes, and let's see if that works. Here we go. Can you see it?
Yes.
You should be able to see it. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger. And you'll be able to read text from your screen, right? Yeah, that was a test. I'm going to stop it and I'll switch this on in a few minutes. I'd like to teach you the tune first. So it's a lovely Yiddish folk song, and I know that some of you don't sing Yiddish songs at all. I may not even be familiar with Yiddish culture, which is East European Jewish culture. Just go along with it, read as much of the text as you can. The tune probably will carry some meaning to you. So we'll start with just the tune. The tune goes like this. sing it to you. Listen. La, 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 repeat. Yes, it is in the minor key, and it's a sad song about love and separation, and my beloved being on the other side of the river, which is a situation we find ourselves in right now quite a lot. So I sing a phrase, you sing it back. Here goes the first phrase. La, 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 la. Let's go. La, 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 la. One more time. La, 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 la. Try it on your own. Right? I can hear some voices, so I'm going to mute you all again. Continue. Now, the second phrase goes like this. La, 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 la. Sing with me. La, 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 la. Again. La, 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 la. Okay? Let's sing these two phrases. I'm going to switch my screen so we see other faces here too. Right, from the beginning, that's your first note. La, 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 la. Good, try it on your own. Okay, I'm carrying on with the third phrase. La, 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 la. This is our first note. Let's go. La, 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 la. One more time. La, 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 la. Okay? On your own again, let's go. La. Have the last phrase. La, 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 la. Together. La, 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 la. One more time. La, 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 la. On your own, this phrase. Okay, I think we're ready to sing the whole song. Can you all hear me? Oh, I see Joanna from Brussels here. I see Leslie from Toronto. Excellent. We're going to go from the very beginning, just with the tune. Now, you won't see me now. You will see some music in front of you. Now, you know what I've done this morning? I put the file of this song onto my webpage, and that's what I'll be doing every time. I'll be putting a file with text and music, sometimes without music, on my webpage every day, so you can look at it in advance and print it up if you like. Now, you should all be seeing my screen now. Can you see my screen? Yeah? Now, ignore the text for now. Follow the music if you would like. This is not the same key as we're singing in, so be warned. Let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. La, 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 repeat the second phrase. And I haven't done it perfectly as it's written in the music, so variations are allowed, okay? I'm stopping this now. I'm going to see what happens here with our faces. You're smiling, that's really good news. Now, I'm going to go to our text, and I don't know how many of you can speak Yiddish, can read Yiddish, understand Yiddish. Some people are going like this. Some people are saying yes. So yeah, we have perfect Yiddish speakers here. I'm so challenged, Michael and Pauline. Right, I'm going to put the text file in front of you. Now, what we see here is the text file itself, and we see a translation. If I had wings, I would fly to you. If I had chains, I would pull myself to you. Or on that other side of the river, on that other side of the bank, the boughs are bent. I don't know what this means. I know it's branches, what I understand from the text. There stands my sweetheart with tearful eyes. With in the text, it's more like eyes cried out. Oh, stop weeping, stop wailing, you will accomplish nothing with tears. Open up my heart, you will see it's so black, it's dark, you'll know how much I love you. So, you know, it's very, very much, a lot of it is very emotional. I don't know if we'll sing all 3 verses today, maybe not, but we'll start with just the first verse. It goes like this. Wenn ich soll HOBN FLIGELEKH. Let's say it together. Wenn ich soll HOBN FLIGELEKH. Now I've heard some voices, so I went back to my screen to mute everyone. I'm muting you, okay? Now, one more time. And wenn ich soll HOBN FLIGELEKH. When you see BN, it's a syllable, and we close it into an M, all right? Another thing, when you see KH, it's a Ch, FLIGELEKH, that's a Ch, okay? Second line. I wollt ich zu dir gefloygn. Together. I wollt ich zu dir gefloygn. If I had FLIGELEKH, if I had wings, I would to you fly. Right? Let's try and sing these 2 phrases together. That's our first note. 1, 2, 3. Wenn ich soll HOBN FLIGELEKH, I wollt ich zu dir gefloygn. Okay, I'm muting whoever has just joined us, and we will do this one more time. Okay, how are you coping? I can see people wanting to talk.
We can't see the text, Polina.
There's no text.
We can't see the text, Polina. I think you're not
Can you
sharing.
see it now?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
No.
sorry. See, I'm not perfect with this yet. Okay, now, sorry about this.
Yes.
I was just
Thank
looking at
you.
it all by myself. Sorry about this. Now you can see it.
I see
Wenn
something.
soll haben FLIGELEKH. I wollte zu dir gefloygn. Let's do it. 1, 2, and.
Then
It's
open my
I wollte zu dir gefloygn. All right. I'm still hearing some of you. So please mute yourselves if you haven't muted your microphone yet, okay? I don't know how to do two things at once. Third line. Und wenn soll haben keytelekh. Now, there is a tip how to read it. The emphasized syllables, the syllables on the beat are underlined. So you know that you need to say un wenn, okay, in the third line, right? I'll do it one more time. Und wenn soll haben keytelekh. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2. Und wenn soll haben keytelekh. Right, I'm going to mute you all again. There we go. All right. Continue muting everyone. And there is this last line that goes like this. Wollt ich zu dir getsoygn. Let's go. Wollt ich zu dir getsoygn. So. Und wenn ich soll haben keytelekh. Wollt ich zu dir getsoygn. That's what we're going to sing now. This is your note. We're singing from the third line together. Let's go. Und wenn ich soll haben keytelekh. Wollt ich sich zu dir getsoygn. One more time. Und wenn ich soll haben keytelekh. Wollt ich sich zu dir getsoygn. I'm going to change your picture for now. And I'm going to go back to seeing ourselves. Let's see if we can do that. Stop share. How are you all getting on with it? Let's just see each other's faces. Yeah, some of you are okay, some of you are not so okay. We will sing it again, and we will sing it again and again. I suggest we stay on the first verse for now. And I'm going back to text. Yeah, does that work? Going back to text? And let me go back to text, share screen, text, share. You should be able to see it now. And we go and sing the first verse again. Would you like to sing the tune one more time? Some people are nodding. I would say yes, let's sing the tune one more time and then we'll sing it with text together, okay? First note here, 1, 2, and la 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 Repeat the second two lines. Let's go back to text and try it with text. I'm making it big. Can you see your text now? Yes, great. Okay, let's do it. Wenner, 1, 2, and Wenner soll haben FLIGELEKH. I wollt dich doch zu dir gefloygn. Und wenn ich soll haben keytelekh, wollt ich sich zu dir getsoygn. Und wenn ich soll haben keytelekh, wollt ich sich zu dir getsoygn. Okay, I'd like to let you sing with just the piano accompaniment to hear your own voices, okay? I'll keep the text online and I'll just accompany you this time. 1, 2, and...
Wenn soll oben keytelekh, wollt ich zu dir getsoygn.
Okay, I'm going back to our faces. Now, yeah, can we see each other? Can we see each other? Yes, we can see each other. I'm going to unmute you.
Ooh,
Oh dear.
Oh
cacophony.
dear, I know, I heard it. Oh dear. So welcome those who just joined us. But I'm just, yeah, okay, I think it wasn't a good idea. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I think we have time to try the second verse. What do you think? I know that for some of you, Yiddish is difficult. And if you haven't done it before, it may be tricky. So I suggest you just stay on la la la's and on the tune with us, okay? Just do la la la. And those who speak perfect Yiddish, sing the Yiddish with us. We're going to
can't see the text anymore, Polina.
I will show it to you. I will.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'll show you the text. I'm going back to text.
Can we also see the music as well? If we've got the...
Oh, you want to see the music as well? The thing is that on this particular file, I'll show you. On this particular file, transliteration for Yiddish is a bit funny. It comes from a Russian book where transliteration, the Latin, is not what most of us are used to. You have this funny X instead of ch. You have an S with a little thingy above it for sh, which makes us, people who know how to read Yiddish, how to read transliteration, it kind of confuses us a bit. So what I'll do now, I will show you just the text again. We will sing through the second verse, we'll speak through the second verse once, then we will sing through it and I'll show you the music, okay? So we'll try to go between these two files. Now, there is a slight variation in the tune, so we will just do our best, and obviously you can do variations. Let me mute everyone else, whoever's joined us now. Okay. Now, oi, oif jener zayt taykh, oif jener zayt breg. Oi, on the other side, on that other side of the river, on that other side of the bank, oi zaynen die tsvaygn geboygn, all the branches are bent. Dortn, there, dortn shteyt mein lebn, there stands my sweet love, mit verweinte Augen, with verweinte, cried out, eyes, with eyes full of tears, right? Now, if that text is a bit much for you, just sit with us and la 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 through the next verse. Here we go. Oyoif jener. Hear it? Jener is underlined, which means that we say all these syllables before jener, before the beat. Oi, oi, jener. Oi, oi, jener, zayt, taykh. Oi, jener, zayt, breg. Okay? Let's go together. 1, 2. Oi, oi, jener, zayt, taykh. I'm hearing some people again, so I'm going to mute you. Right. Oi, oi, jener, zayt, taykh. Oi, jener, zayt, breg. Oi, zaynen, die tsvaygn, geboygn. Together, second line. Oi, zaynen, die tsvaygn, geboygn. Right? Let's try and sing these 2 lines. Oi,
Pauline, we've lost the sheet.
We haven't got the text.
We haven't got the text.
Pauline.
All
No.
right, I'm going back to share screen. All right, okay, thank you very much. See, I'm still working my way through this. Can you see it now? Great. Oi, jener, zayt, taykh. Let's go. Let's go slowly. 1, 2. Oi, oi, jener, zayt, taykh. Oi, jener, zayt, breg. Oi, zaynen, die tsvaygn, geboygn. We'll do it one more time, okay? Oi, oi, 1, 2. Oi, oi, jener, zayt, taykh. Oi, jener, zayt, breg. Oi, zaynen, die tsvaygn, geboygn. What we will do now, we'll go through the other 2 lines, sing them, and then I will show you the music for the second verse with different transliteration, okay? The third line goes like this. Dortn, dortn, shteyt mayn, lebn. Let's go. Dortn, dortn, shteyt mayn, lebn. Next line. Mit verweinte Augen. Together. Mit verweinte Augen. Okay? So I'm going from the third line. It goes like this. You can listen this time. Dortn, dortn, shteyt mayn, lebn. Mit verweinte Augen, sing with me. Dortn, dortn, shteyt mayn, lebn. Mit verweinte Augen. Now, in the music, there is a slight variation here. It goes like this. Dortn, dortn, shteyt mayn, lebn. To make it simple, I'm making the music the same as in the first verse. You have an option. If you're following the music, you want to go to that note, go to that note. Freedom today, okay? Freedom, freedom, freedom. I'm forwarding my music file to the second verse, and we will be able to see this funny transliteration. And can you see it? Funny transliteration, but you can at least see your text and your music here. Let me make it bigger. Okay. Yes? Yes? Okay. All right. I'm muting 2 more new people who just joined this. I don't really know how to do it. Okay, let's go. Oy fie, 1, 2. Oy fie, ner zayt taykh. Oy fie, ner zayt breg. Oy zaynen die tsvaygn, geboygn. Dortn,
dortn, shteyt mein System.
It's time to bring everything together, right? Yes, I can see some of your faces. I can't hear you, but I can see some of you nodding. Yes. All right. Let's go from the beginning. We will sing the 2 verses together, and then I will unmute us all. I will make a big mess at the end, okay? Not one time with me, sing with me, just my voice, the text file, and your own voice in your room. Share screen. By the way, I would like to really thank Neil and Jonathan. These 2 guys really helped me to figure out how to you know, to do these things. A few more things on this Zoom app today. So thank you guys. Here we go. Back to text. First verse.
This is the music. Oh, good.
Yeah. Well, I can hear you, Julia.
It's Sheila.
Muted. Oh, okay. Why aren't you muted? Let me see. I
Sorry.
need to mute you all one more time. Mute. More people chat. One person is not muted. Now I will read your chat after we've done this. And if you don't know yet, I need to tell you that I've put a video of yesterday's session on my website, and I'm going to put a video of this session on my website too. Please don't object to this. If people see your tiny little face on the screen, but they have an opportunity to sing with us, I hope that's okay. All right. If somebody really objects to their face, hide your face. Okay. Now let's go. Let's go. Wenn soll oben, wenn soll oben fliegen, I wollt ich noch zu dir gefloygn, und wenn ich soll haben keytelekh, wollt ich sich zu dir getsoygn, und wenn ich soll haben keytelekh, wollt ich sich zu dir getsoygn. Oi jener zayt taykh, oi jener zayt breg, oi zaynen tsvaygn, geboygn, dortn, shteyt mein lebn, mit verweinte Augen. Dortn steht mein Leben, mit verweinte Augen. Oh, don't cry. But it is a beautiful song, isn't it? Now, we're going to do this. It will be messy. We're going to try and sing all together. Now, I know that Yiddish is a bit tricky for some of us, so I suggest you do la la la. We will all do la 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 right now, ah ah ah, through the song. It will be messy if it gets too messy, and if our computers crash right here on the spot, I'm going to thank you right now, okay? Let's do it. Oh, no, you're not unmuted. No.
Yeah.
You can't see the screen, Polina.
Nice.
Show us the text, Polina.
Show us
Share the
what?
screen.
Text.
The text? You want text again? Oh, come on, let's see each other.
Now.
Okay, let's see each other. And you can always print the text. Okay? You can always print it. So, there we go.
Text, please.
Do la 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 first.
Come and see.
The text, please.
No text.
Well, that was it.
Hey.
Thank you very much. That was lovely. I love this song. It's the first time I've taught it. So
Beautiful.
I hope you enjoyed this. Please do share this with
Thank you very much. Thank
Thank you much. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow there'll be a Russian song. The day after there'll be a Yiddish song or a niggun or a wordless tune. And then it'll be our 5th meeting, the 23, third, I think, or 4th.
20.
There'll be a little concert. I'm hoping that my husband Merlin will play
Wow.
the plasma clarinet.
Great.
Sing something together. So
Great.
that's 3 days from today. Russian song
Okay.
tomorrow, Yiddish song the day after, and then a little concert and sing along. Thank you.
Great. Bye bye. Thank you.
Shane, I'm done.
3.